Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Christy, and I'm back with another video. So, as you guys know by the title, today we are gonna be having Maggie for legit 24 hours. Yes, you heard it right. So, वैसे तो मेरे को कभी घर पे मतलब पूरा दिन के लिए मैगी खाने का मौका नहीं मिलता. So, just for this video, I'm gonna be having Maggie for 24 hours and like इतनी खुशी I cannot explain because since my childhood I have been a Maggie lover but I have never been allowed to have Maggie like for a full day. I guess no parents would allow that, but yeah, today we are going to be doing that and I have got a thumbs up from my parents. They have allowed me to do it. So yeah, before we move on to the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe down below. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. It's currently the 10 a.m. in the morning and we are going to go to the kitchen and make our breakfast. Let's see what we'll make for breakfast. I have thought about something. Let's see how we can execute that, whether I will be able to execute that or not, but I'm really excited. Obviously it's gonna be Maggie, but Maggie with a twist. Like मैं 4 या 5 मील्स खाने वाली हूँ थ्रू आउट द डे एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी अबाउट मैगी. बट मैगी से हम लोग कुछ डिफरेंट करेंगे, डिफरेंट चीज़ें बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे बिकॉज ऐसे तो मतलब पानी मसाला और मैगी डाल के जो बनाया जाता है वो अगर हम लोग खाएं तो बहुत ही बोरिंग लगेगा खाने में बिकॉज 24 आवर्स के लिए 4 या 5 मील्स में मैं वो तो ऐसे नहीं खा सकती हूँ. सो आई एम गोना ट्राई टू मेक समथिंग डिफरेंट. इट्स टाइम फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. Currently 10 a.m. and we are going to go ahead and make breakfast for ourselves. So I'm really excited for this particular recipe. Like I'm excited for all the 4 to 5 recipes, but yeah, currently breakfast ka time hai and we are going to go ahead and make our breakfast. So stay tuned. I'm gonna take you guys along with me to the kitchen and let's see what we have for breakfast. Let's go. ब्रेकफास्ट इज़ रेडी. अभी तो ये बहुत गर्म लग रहा है. आई हैव टू डू अ टेस्ट टेस्ट एंड लेट यू नो हाउ इज़ इट. मतलब मैं भी ये सब रेसिपीज़ पहली बार आज ट्राई कर रही हूँ. मतलब मैंने कभी ट्राई किया हुआ नहीं. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई लव पिज़्ज़ा एज वेल एज मैगी. सो लेट्स डू अ टेस्ट टेस्ट ऑफ दिस मैगी पिज़्ज़ा. लेट्स गो. बहुत गर्म है, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है बाबा. बाप रे बाप रे. बहुत टेस्टी है. इट्स लाइक द क्रस्ट जो बेस है पिज़्ज़ा का वो बहुत ही क्रिस्पी है जिसकी वजह से बहुत अच्छा वाला एक टेस्ट आ रहा है. लेट्स डू अ सेकंड टेस्ट टेस्ट. बहुत अच्छा है. मैगी का भी टेस्ट आ रहा है, चीज़ का भी टेस्ट आ रहा है एंड अनियंस टोमेटो वगैरह वगैरह जो भी मैंने ऐड किया था सभी चीज़ का टेस्ट आ रहा है. बहुत अच्छा. आई वोंट से इट एब्सोल्युटली टेस्ट्स लाइक पिज़्ज़ा बट डेफिनेटली अ गुड ऑप्शन. डेफिनेटली नाइस. बहुत अच्छा है. It's 10:30. I'm gonna be completing my breakfast and I have a lot of things to shoot. मेरे को Instagram के लिए reels shoot करना है which I'm gonna be doing right now. And also like after completing this, so I will meet you guys directly for lunch. So yeah, तब तक let me finish and shoot my reels.
One eternity later.
Hey guys. guys, I'm back. It's 2 p.m. currently, time for lunch. I've been shooting reels this whole time and now I'm super hungry. For lunch, I've thought I'm gonna be making biryani Maggi today. So let's see how it turns out. Let's go to the kitchen and start making biryani Maggi. I'm gonna again take you all along with me. So let's go. I'm back with my lunch. It's 2:30 and I've made my biryani Maggi. मेरे को बेसिकली हांडी में सर्व करना था पर हांडी तो नहीं था घर में, सो मैं थोड़ा छोटा सा जो कैसरोल होता है उसमें मैं सर्व करके लाई हूँ. दिस इज़ माई मैगी एंड नाउ वी आर गोना डू अ टेस्ट टेस्ट. देखने में तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और स्मेल भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. लेट्स डू अ टेस्ट टेस्ट एंड फाइंड आउट लाइक कैसे बना है. लेट्स गो. नाइस, रियली नाइस. इसमें बिरयानी का भी फ्लेवर आ रहा है और मैगी का भी. ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छा बना है. आई नेवर थॉट दिस वन, लाइक मेरे को लगा नहीं था कि बिरयानी मैगी ऐसे मतलब अच्छा मतलब टर्न आउट होगा, पर आई एम सो ग्लैड कि दिस हैज़ टर्न आउट सो गुड. आई एम रियली हैप्पी. अभी तक तो अच्छा चल रहा है गाइज. सो इफ़ यू हैव कम दिस फार, प्लीज़ मेक श्योर यू गिव दिस वीडियो thumbs up and yeah, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna complete this right now and I'm gonna take a nap because I'm super tired, because उठ के मेरे को Instagram के लिए reels भी edit करना है. Oh, also by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram account's link in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. So yeah, I will complete this, take a nap and meet you guys directly for my evening snack.
A few hours later.
Good evening you guys. It's 6 in the evening. I took a short nap because I was super tired from shooting and everything. So now it's time for evening snack. I'm really hungry right now. So I'm gonna go and make some, light snacks for me. Something wherein I don't have to do too much, yet, it will be tasty. So let's go and make. So if you're wondering why this different dress, because I've changed into something really comfortable. Just wearing the earrings so that I look a little more presentable, because right now I look really bummy. But yeah, we are going to go and make some food. Okay, so I'm back with my food you guys. So I have not done much. Already saw how my food looks like. This is basically the regular Maggi which we make. I've just added a cheese cube. While I was adding the masala, I added a cheese cube. And for garnishing also, I added some cheese and some oregano on top. So yeah, that's basically it. It's really simple and I'm gonna try it how it tastes, because I've never tried it. Like, this is so basic and I have never tried it. So I'm gonna quickly try it now. Okay, it's definitely like very cheesy. Tastes amazing. because of the whole oregano and cheese thing. It tastes amazing. Like, I personally love it. This recipe was pretty much very simple, that's why I didn't show you all how to make it, because it would have been very repetitive and very boring to watch. So but really this tastes amazing. Like, literally I'm gonna make it more often, because it's hatke from a regular Maggi. Like, if you're bored having regular Maggi, yet you want to try something simple and which you can make exactly in 5 minutes, because 2 minutes से तो Maggi नहीं बनता, so definitely you can make it in 5 minutes. Very good option. I personally loved it. So I'm gonna quickly complete this and meet you guys directly for my dinner.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. Time for dinner. It's 10 p.m. and for dinner I'm gonna be making something which I usually make. This is the only recipe which I know how it's gonna taste and I'm confident about it. So we are gonna be making fried Maggi, rather fried egg Maggi for dinner today. So yeah, let's go to the kitchen and make our food. Back with my dinner. Let's do a taste test. Tastes nice, absolutely like the Hakka noodles you get, street style Hakka noodles. It tastes like that, absolutely tastes like that. So I'm gonna be completing this right now and go to bed. Before that, I want to close out today's video. So before closing out, I'm gonna be rating, not actually rating. I had 4 Maggies throughout the day and all the 4 Maggies 2 minute में नहीं बना, 5 minute तो लगाई, rather 5 minutes से ज़्यादा. But I had a lot of fun filming this video. And I'm going to be rating in the sense telling first, second, third, for assigning ranks to each of the Maggi. The pizza Maggi wins the first prize, rather stands first, because that was amazing. I had least expectations from that and that turned out to be so good. So that's first. Second is the cheesy Maggi. The cheesy Maggi was also amazing. The third one is the fried egg Maggi, and the fourth one goes to biryani Maggi, because biryani Maggi was pretty good. But I like the taste of biryani only goes with rice, and I don't want to have it more often. Like the biryani Maggi, I don't want it to have more often. Like, this was the first and the last time I made that Maggi. I'm never gonna make it again, but it was good. You can give it a try. So yeah. And मैं मैगी खा के इतना ज़्यादा पक गई हूँ. I don't think so I will be having Maggi for the next 2 to 3 months. At the starting of this video I was very excited कि पूरा दिन मैगी खाने को मिलेगा, but at this point of time I'm really tired of having Maggi. My taste buds have given up. They are like, please bro, और मैगी मत खिलाना. Like, that's the condition with me right now. So yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on the notifications to never miss an update from my channel, and definitely comment section में बताना आपको कौन सा मैगी सबसे अच्छा लगा. So yeah, I'm gonna be closing today's video. I'll meet you guys again for the next video. Bye guys. Bye. See you soon.